TV angiyibuki mina. Angilibuki leli cala ngoba ngazi ngibukani. Yini engiyibukayo? Abantu abasendlele bakhuluma iqiniso ngekanyama. Abakhuluma iqiniso ngoba khona bangeke bafe. Boze baphuma impethu basibize bathi cela ukukhuluma ngoba iqiniso siyalazi. Labantwana sibabona lapha. Ngadlala ngabantwana banezinto zabo nabo. Kodwa akubona abantu abasendlini bayalazi iqiniso abakhuluma abantu abasendlini kwenzekani ngekanyama akhuluma namhlanje njoba semini manje zasijabulisa nje kade ethe uzofika wathi ma ngizofika mangiqeda ukudlala ngizofika ekseni wangabe safika sathi silala ebusuku salala uSenzo bemdubulile endlini kukhona abantu khona ingane zifa emahlathini kodwa abantu batholwe kodwa uSenzo ufele endlini abantu bebekhona khona bangabizwa babizwa ngani akabizwa ngani makakheni akabizwa ngani ukheni wayekhona endlini akabizwa ngani uLongethwala wayekhona endlini ingane ikhethi phela emasini amajaji akhona yini indaba sinikeza ijaji sethola umhlala phansi
ukudonsa kwecala njengoba sedonsa iminyaka emingaka nje manje
bayazi bona bayazi abantu phela bayafumbathiswa thina sinamali yokufunda bayafumbathiswa abantu bayazi bona akwenzeka ubulungisa lento esiyibuka lapha enkantolo angiyijabuleli mina ngiyithanda kuba ngiyakwazi konke ama ngiyongena ngihayize phakathi enkantolo noma ngangaboshwa kodwa sazi ukuthi ubani obulala ingane yami
ithemba likho ukuthi kuzophuma isinqumo esizo
lesa ingane lapha zinamacalazo angibuki yonke dot idrama ngiyazi yanto ngathini ngibuki le drama mina.
Hello everyone, Ngiyanuchisana again, welcome to my channel. So this past Sunday, 26 October 2025, marked 11 years since the death of South African goalkeeper Senzo Meyiwa. He was killed while visiting his side piece and singer Kelly Khumalo at her mom's home in Vosloorus. Now, unlike cases like Oscar Pistorius, where one partner is the only one alive to detail what happened, there were at least 6 adults and 2 children in the house when Senzo was killed. Now, this is what has exasperated Senzo's mom so much. She says that people who die in bushes often have their cases solved much faster, yet her son Senzo died in full view of at least 6 adults, and 11 years later, it's still unclear what exactly happened. She says what is currently happening in court is just nonsense and drama, because why are they not calling everyone who was in the house to testify? So far, only Kelly's sister Zandi and Senzo's friends Tumelo and Mthokozisi have been called, omitting Kelly's mother, Chiko's son Longethwala, and the most important person that Senzo was actually visiting, Kelly Khumalo. By the way, according to the state, Kelly Khumalo is a person of interest, so it makes sense that she can't testify for the state when they believe she's the mastermind. Senzo's mom also questioned why a retired judge was assigned to the case. Isn't this guy retired for a reason? Why pick this particular retired judge? Now, apparently the president assigned a retired judge so that he could focus specifically on Senzo's case, since he has no other matters to attend to. Yet the case is still moving at a snail pace, with the judge seemingly showing bias and reportedly making offensive statements towards the defense lawyers. Senzo's mom and many others believe that the 5 men currently on trial for Senzo's murder had nothing to do with it, and they believe the story that they were allegedly beaten into taking the fall. Senzo's brother, Sfiso Meyiwa, has consistently said that on the evening Senzo died, his friend Tumelo called saying, "Usenzo usedubuleke ngephutha," meaning Senzo was shot by mistake. Now this aligns with what the infamous advocate Defo said on Podcast and Chill. He told McG that Kelly's sister Zandi had invited her then boyfriend Longethwala to Roy Mahamud's party, which was happening the evening Senzo died. Longo suspected Zandi was cheating on him since she was always out with Senzo, Kelly, and Senzo's friend. So when he arrived to fetch Zandi, he found Senzo's 2 friends there and fired a shot that hit the ground, injuring Zandi's leg. Kelly then asked her man Senzo to disarm Longo to prevent any further harm. Senzo successfully took the gun, gave it to Kelly, and forced Longo outside the house. Unfortunately, while Kelly was handing the gun back to Senzo, she shot him by mistake. Hence, Tumelo called Senzo's family to say usedubuleke ngephutha, as in he was shot by mistake. Apparently, a cover-up story started the moment they realized it was Chiko Twala's unlicensed firearm. Hence, Chiko Twala was called first instead of the ambulance or the police. A forensic official testified that the scene was already cleaned up on their arrival. By the way, Advocate Defo also showed McG Kelly's warrant of arrest to confirm she was meant to be arrested for shooting Senzo. It sounds like a very clear, straightforward case that didn't need over 11 years to be resolved, right? But this is South Africa. Money can influence outcomes all the way to the judge. Look at the recent incident president of the very dangerous Katiso Katie Molefe, allegedly involved in the killings of several DJs in Gauteng, but shockingly got bail of 400,000 rands a few weeks ago. Allegations then emerged that the acting judge, Aubrey Ledwaba, received 2.5 million rands to grant that bail. So you really can't blame Senzo's mother and Senzo's brother for saying they've been bribes in the case, from Tumelo changing his story about the shooting to the crime scene being clean soon after the shooting. Kuningi. 11 years is such a long time to resolve a murder that was witnessed by at least 6 adults.
11 years manje usenza shona. First born kaSenzo unamhla wayefunda grade 3 shona babakhe namhlanje usenza second year university unamhla. Even naye unamhla useyafisa ukwazi ngento eyenzeka kubaba wakhe manje ingane. Sonke singajabula ngempela sazi ubulungiswa ngoba noma sixoxa noma kaSenzo athi kwathi asikhali inyembezi mase sibona laba abafana ababoshiwe lapha sithi kudlalwe ngezingane zabantu zashaywa ingane zahlukunyezwa ingane zazingekho. Into esikhalisayo ngani yami sikhalisa ukuthi ababesendlini asikaze sibabone bekhuluma. Thina sibone ukukhuluma uNtu, sabona ukukhuluma uMthoko, sabona ukukhuluma uZandi. uKheli umaka uMkheli umfana kaLongwe asikaze sibabone bevela ngoba phela bonke babesendlini akwazi ukuthi ene umuntu alimale phambi kweni ningazi lutho enhleli nodwa nina ningathinteki thinteke yena yedwa nje uSenzo hayi kuyasikhalisa kakhulu siphinde sikhaliswe naye ezomthetho ke lapha enkantolo hayi siyakhala ngifuna uqamba amanga sifuna ungasho sihle siyikhuluma lento sithi hayi umthetho siyakhala impela nje asiboni kahle lezi ingane zabantu mabe ngempela ziboshelwe amacalazo bese zothwaliswa into kaSenzo ezazi kade zingekho ngoba zayingekho endlini zayingane. uSenzo walimala kukhona abangani bakhe balemlazi uNtu noMthoko best friend kodwa nakubona sithola lutho luphathekayo alukho nje olubambeka esilitholayo ngayi ukuthi uSenzo ngempela kwenzakalani inganeni kanti yayibulele bani kangaka ingane kuze kube namhlanje ubulungisa sibutholi nje noma bengasaboshwa ngabantu kodwa izwe lazi ukuthi kwenzakalani ngoSenzo kuphela asafuna into eziningi sesifuna kwenzakalani ngempela ngoSenzo kwakwenze njani ukuzibulawa ingane thatha iminyaka emingaka kushonwa le kushintshwa ngisho amajaji kushintshwa zonke izinto ilandwa amajaji ahlele emakhaya kuthiwa azokhuluma indaba kaSenzo kanti la amanye amajaji eSouth Africa wasebenzini wona afundelani wona amajaji la eSouth Africa kuze ilanda abantu aseberethayile kuthiwa bezokhuluma indaba kaSenzo. Sicela ubulungiswa nje cha ngendaba yasensazi kwenzakalani bayaboshwa ababoshwa asenandaba akwazi ukuthi sihleli sonke la endlini ngizolimala mina ngedwa ningazi kungena isigebengu nasibona nangathola lutho nina miyoqinwa nemncane siyacela ubulungise South Africa kube khona ubulungiswa nje amaphoyisa ayawenza umsebenzi indaba iseyinkantolo amaphoyisa ayabopha amaphoyisa bathola amabhayili benze zonke izinto indaba iseyinkantolo